To file your 990EZ, log into your Tax2efile account and select the 990EZ from the list of tax forms. The organization list will show the organizations you have filed previously. If your organization is not listed, you can select Add New Organization to add your organization to the list. Add your organization's information in the text fields provided. If you want to export your organization's information from IRS, use the Validate EIN option. Then provided the address information for the organization along with the principal officer's details and select Save and continue to move forward. On the Tax Year Information page, select the start and end date of your organization tax period and select any of the below options if they apply to your organization or none at all. Then select Save and Continue. Select the tax exempted status that applies to your organization and select the organization's accounting method. Fill in the boxes with your organization's revenue and income details and select Save and Continue when finished. Enter the organization's expenses in the fields below. The end of your balance will automatically be calculated at the bottom of the page. If everything matches up, select Save and continue to move on. On the balance sheet section, notice the net assets at end of year value to the top right. Provide the beginning and ending year values in the columns below. The net asset balance in column B must match with net assets at end of year located at the top right. Enter the organization primary purpose in the field provided. Then select the Add Program Service Accomplishment button to add a program or service provided by the organization. Under the officer list, you may upload a spreadsheet of all your officers' information or select Add Officer if you prefer to enter the information manually. When adding the officers or employees, provide their name, job title, and details of their job in the fields below. Select Save and continue to add the individual to the list. Once all the officers and employees are listed, you can select Save and continue to move on. Under the Other Information section, be sure to read through the questions fully and to provide any required details such as books and care of. When you have completed this section, click Save and Continue. In the next section, 501c3 organizations may provide additional details for their organization's activities. If your organization is a public charity, select one of the following options below and complete any required fields. When ready to move on, save and continue. If you were paid to prepare this form for the organization or owner, provide your details here. Before submitting your return, review all of your information below, and when ready, select Save and Continue. On the payment page, your filing fee will be displayed at the top of the page. To complete your e-filing, fill out the payment information at below and select Pay Now.